Okay guys, I got message from many of you saying me, I'm a beginner and I don't have money to invest. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get 100% free web hosting forever. Because we are actually going to host our landing pages and our bridge pages on Google Drive. Yes, on Google Drive. And best thing of all is, all of these bridge pages and landing pages, they are already made for us. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find products to promote. So I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace, and for example, let's just say that I'm in dating niche. So what I need to do, I need to click here on dating and relationship, and here I can see all the available products. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, his secret obsession. Here you can see these guys will actually give you 90% affiliate commission, 90%. And here you can see you can actually make up to $180 per sale because they have down sales and up sales as well. But if you don't like Digistore24, what you can do is you can simply go on ClickBank, and here on ClickBank you can find exactly the same product. So if you wish to promote from ClickBank, doesn't matter, you can promote it on ClickBank as well. So I will go back here on Digistore24, and what I need to do, I actually need to open their affiliate tools page. And what you actually need to do, you need to scroll down here on the bottom, and you need to click here on Get Started Now, and then click here on Skip the Commission Bump. And now you came to the real affiliate tools page. And what you actually wish to do, you wish to hover over articles and landings. Click here, and here you can simply click here, for example, lead capture landing pages, and here you can download one of these landing pages. Or you can simply click here again, and then click here on article landing pages. Scroll here, and you can click here on start the article download, and you will download one of these pages. So I already did that, and this is how this actually looks. This is the folder. You actually need to extract this because it will be zipped. And when I click here, for example, on rich HTML articles, here I can see all the available articles. So for example, let's just say I will open this one, and when I click here on this HTML file, I can see how this page actually looks. This is how this page looks, and actually they tested all of these pages, and these are the pages that gave them best results. So you don't have to bother making your own bridge pages and landing pages. So let me just close this. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on a website called Visual Studio Code, and you need to download this software and install it on your computer. Don't worry, it is 100% free. So next thing you need to do, you need to actually minimize this and minimize all of this and this, okay? So what you need to do, you actually need to open this, and you need to, so let me just go back, you need to actually drag that folder here, okay? Drag that folder here, double click here, and then what you need to do, you simply need to right click here and then open with, Visual Studio Code. And now you will open this Visual Studio. And here you can see this is code, and that probably looks really, really complicated for you because you probably don't know HTML, right? So it doesn't matter. What you need to do, you simply need to go back here on their affiliate tools page, and you need to simply copy this. Control C, and then go back here on Visual Studio. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on this magnifying glass here on the left side, and then simply paste that here. And here when you click, for example, here you can see they already found this link, okay? They found this link here. So what you need to do, you actually need to replace all of these links that they actually found. You need to replace them with your own Digistore24 affiliate link or ClickBank affiliate link. Now I already have my Digistore24 affiliate link, so I will simply copy this, Control C, minimize this, and I actually need to highlight entire link, and I need to paste that here. And this is my Digistore24 affiliate link, and I need to actually do that on this place here as well. So let me just move this slider, okay? And I need to highlight all of this, okay? And I actually need to replace that with my Digistore24 affiliate link. So next thing I need to do, I simply need to click here on File, and then click here Save As, and save this file on my desktop, on this same folder, okay? It is really important to save it in the same folder, okay? Click here on Save, click here to replace this. Yes, I wish to replace, and all you have to do is just close this, and that is it. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go on Google. And what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner, click here on these dots, and then click here on Drive to open Google Drive. And then I will actually make this smaller. So let me just minimize this. And I will actually, only thing you need to do now is just, you need to drag that folder here. Just drag it here. Give it a few seconds to actually upload this. Okay, and it already uploaded this. And here you can see this is the folder. So this is really important. What you need to do next is you actually need to right click here and you need to actually click here on rename. And the name of this folder must start with www. Okay, that is really important. Click here on okay, and then again right click here and then get the link. Okay, and here you need to choose restriction, anyone with the link. Click here on done, and that's it. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go on Google again, and then here in the top search bar, what you need to type, drv.tw. Okay, drv.tw. Press enter. Okay, and give it a few seconds to actually access this. Now you need to choose Google Drive. Click here on Google Drive, and then what you need to do, you actually need to choose the email that is connected with the Google Drive where you actually hosting your folder with your website. I will choose this one here, give it a few seconds, click here on allow, and that's it. You are now hosting your landing page on Google Drive, totally free forever. And when I click here, this is how it actually looks. Give it a few seconds, and here you can see it is uploading. This is the page, and when I scroll here, and when I click on one of these links, that will be actually my Digistore24 affiliate link. And if someone click on it and buys this product, I will earn an affiliate commission. It is that simple, it is that easy. Also, here you can see this is actually a long and ugly looking link. You can actually add your own custom domain, but it is a bit complicated and you have to pay for that custom domain. Later, when you get more knowledge, more experience, you can actually add your custom domain. Adding your custom domain on Google Drive is free. Only thing you need to pay, you need to register, you need to pay for registration of your custom domain, and that's it. So next thing we need to do, we need to start driving traffic to our landing page. So what you need to do, you can simply go here on Quora, and because we are promoting product that is actually his secret obsession, I can simply type here how to get a guy. Okay, how to get a guy. Press enter and then click here on questions, and here you can see there is lots of questions people are asking how to get a guy. I'm guessing mostly women are asking this question. I want a boyfriend, how can I get one? How do I get a man to ask me out? So for example, when I click here, I can actually answer on this question. All I have to do is just copy this, Ctrl C, and then I can simply go here on ChatGPT, okay? And here what I need to do, I need to scroll here, so let me just maximize this. I can simply type here Quora, okay? And here you can see they actually gave me some extensions, ChatGPT extensions, that are actually making answers for Quora. And what is the good thing about these extensions? They actually most of the time pass Quora filter, okay? So your answers, Quora answers will be approved. If that doesn't happen, all you have to do is just simply change something in that article to make it to look more like human written. So for example, I can click here on Quora answer and I will choose English, paste my question here and press enter, and now ChatGPT will actually write an answer on this question that we found on Quora, and all we have to do after that is just go back here on ChatGPT, and I need to simply copy this article. Just copy this, Ctrl C, go back here on Quora, click here on answer the question, and I will simply paste my answer, and then here I will simply go back here and actually get the link to my landing page, Ctrl C, and simply paste that here. Give it a few seconds, it will automatically pull the image. If there is an image, there is no image, so this is the link, and all I have to do now is just click here on post, and that's it. I will post an answer on this question. Also, in one of my previous videos, I explained you how you can actually rank your Quora answers as a top answer and get the most traffic. And after you answer on this question here, all you have to do is just close this and then answer on this question, this question, this question, this question here. And like I said, you can use ChatGPT to get answers on all of these questions, and then simply copy and paste those questions, those answers here on Quora. And like I said, rank your answers as a top answer, and you will start getting lots of free targeted traffic to your landing page that you actually got totally free. Free hosting and free landing page. So this is how you do Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner, and this is how you get 100% free web hosting forever with Google Drive. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.